Hello, Diana.
Welcome to the Bible reading. Today we are at page 23. Astăzi am ajuns la pagina 23. Hai să citim împreună. Let's read. He even named all the animals. El chiar a numit toate
animalele.
Bravo! You will be called a parrot. Așa i-a spus Adam lui, nu? Ce a zis? Tu vei fi numit sau te vei numi
Papagal.
Sigur că da. You.
Dar de ce papagal mov?
Well, I don't know. Nu știu. You will be called a butterfly. Butterfly? Ce i-a zis? Tu vei fi numit Fluture, sigur că da. Sau tu te vei
fluturii nu sunt albaștri.
Nu există fluturi albaștri. Eu chiar am văzut de curând.
Da, stai.
Doar că avea aripile lila. Așa, lila.
Nu corpul.
Ba da, și corpul era. Da, avea niște perișori albaștri. Would you like to draw a parrot? Ai dori să desenăm un papagal?
Da.
Yes. Okay, let's do it. So, you have some paper here and some paper for me. Okay, let's put it like this. And we are going to begin with the eye, ochiul, the eye. Somewhere, a circle. Okay, I think you need to make another circle, a bigger circle, and I will make a smaller one inside. It's very good. And color the little one. Okay, and now the big ciocul.
Cum? Unde-l fac?
Starting from here.
Așa?
Yes. Yeah, very good. Like this. A little line, straight line here.
Acum zici că e încă doar că pe
And we go in like this. Okay, very good. And now we need another line to connect. Just a second. Another line to connect the beak here to the eye. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, right now we are going to make a little line here. Okay. Very good. And now let's do another line here. Yeah, till here. And let's color this. Let's color this part. Hai să colorăm. Very good. And now let's connect this part with the eye. Like this. Okay, great.
Eu am văzut niște papagali în Italia. Și am văzut și pinguini.
Good for you. And now the head. From here, like this.
Și acolo
From here, like this.
Și acolo am văzut chiar și rechini.
Really? Sharks. Sharks? Rechini? Wow.
Erau și mari și mici.
And now a little V here, like this. Okay. And then we will go a bit here.
Al meu e puțin mai trist.
No problem. And now the wing. Aripa. Like this. Okay. Very nice. And then, starting from here, the other part of the wing. Okay. And now we are going to connect these two. Okay. And he needs another part here. But before that,
Acolo.
yeah, let's do a short line here and like this. Okay, that's enough. And the other wing here. Okay, very good. And okay, good. It's good. It looks good. And here, let's make a little W. Yeah, here. Very good. And another W here. Okay. And here we can connect these. Okay. You've already connected them. Da, deja le-ai conectat. And now the tail. And down. Okay, stop. And up. Okay. And 2 small lines here. Very good. And for the wings also we need 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here the same. La fel. 1, 2, 3. Okay. A long line here. Okay. Very good. And a long line here. And a smaller one here and here. Okay, very good. And I think this is our parrot. Well, it doesn't need that, but if you want to make it this way, let's color our parrot. Let's show them. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.